Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to light a copper bulb. We will go through the essential components you need, ensuring you have everything ready for a successful setup. Then, we will cover the straightforward wiring process, connecting each part correctly and safely. Finally, we will discuss important safety precautions and how to test your newly lit copper bulb. This guide will help you illuminate your bulb with confidence and ease. To begin, gather your essential materials. You will need a copper bulb designed for low voltage and a suitable bulb holder. For power, choose a direct current source like a 9-volt battery or a 5-volt power supply. Also, acquire about 2 feet of insulated electrical wire, a small on-off switch, and a fuse rated at 1 or 2 amperes to protect your circuit. Now, let's connect the circuit. First, take one insulated wire and connect it from the positive terminal of your power source to one terminal of the switch. Next, use another wire to connect the other terminal of the switch to the positive terminal of your bulb holder. Finally, connect a third wire from the negative terminal of the bulb holder directly back to the negative terminal of your power source. Safety is paramount. Always ensure your power source is completely disconnected before making any wiring connections to prevent electrical shock. Double-check all your connections for tightness and correct polarity. Once everything is securely connected, insert your 1 or 2 ampere fuse. Then, carefully turn on the power and observe your copper bulb. It should illuminate brightly, indicating a successful and safe setup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.